Hi everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be revealing our August mystery subscription. I'm going to be showing you our 3 different subscription options that we have: our standard subscription option, our decorative, and then our journal Hobonichi cousin subscription for our mystery kit. And we do have our mystery subscription spots are open right now. So if you want to subscribe to make sure to receive our next mystery kit, make sure to click the link below in the description box to look at all the details and such. But let's look at August mystery kit, and let's first look at the standard kit. So for the standard kit, first we have the bonus add-on for the mystery kit that is included in all the different options. It's a little sticker sheet that's on washi sticker paper, and there's some foiled stickers on here. So for example, there are some divider strips, and as you can see, the foil is rose gold and there's honeycomb on the divider strips. There are some bumblebees, some honey jars, and there are a couple of watercolor swatches as well. So as you can guess, the theme for August is like honey. And let's look at the full boxes. So first thoughts of just looking, first glance, I love how the colors are super soothing and soft, and I love the bear. Look how fuzzy and cute the bear is. So let's look at all these scenes here. So this is like a kitchen scene. It looks like there's some florals that are hanging and in a vase. There's honey there. And then of course there's a bear that's next to a jar of honey, and there's a foiled bumblebee on top of that sticker. And then over here there's like the different textured pattern in the background, and then there's like the honeycomb foil on top of it with the bumblebee. And then there's a fashion girl here gathering some flowers, and a close-up of some honey with it dripping down, and a bee down here with a cute little smiley face, and some more honeycomb that's foiled, and flowers. And in foil it says, "She works hard for the honey." And another fashion girl, it looks like she's at like a farmer's market looking at some different honey options. So that's the first page. Next is the Monday through Sunday stickers, and then the washi stickers below that. So there are some honeycomb strips and then some florals. And then there are a couple of more boxes. So this is like a living room scene with some journals stacked, and some maybe some candles that were made, and then another like cupboard here. And there's a Monday through Sunday box for tracking, and then that pattern again in the background with some layering stickers. And below are heart date dots, weekend script, and a couple of more layering stickers. These are some rectangular boxes, and then some circles with the honeycombs, and then the bumblebees. Like how cute is that bee right there? And then the one that's like taking a nap on top of the flower. And this page, there's the flags at the top with the artwork that we saw from earlier, so everything's very cohesive. Layering pieces, a little movie sticker for like TV shows or movie that you want to track. 3 bow checklist boxes for tracking things for the day, and then there are circles at the bottom for the 2 different colors. This page is a divider page. There's the scallop dividers at the top, the bow dividers, half scalloped circle dividers, and then at the bottom there are some more washi strips that are thinner with some different pattern backgrounds. And this is the functional page where there's some rectangular boxes where you can write in your own headers. In the middle, there are some habit trackers. And then these are more like oval stickers that you can use for writing in your own headers. And there are some little artwork pieces of deco that are foiled. And this page, there are a couple of Fashion Girl boxes. So it looks like this Fashion Girl is doing some tea with honey. And over here, this Fashion Girl, it looks like they might be doing something with some honeycomb. And there's some butterflies and flowers and then like a honeycomb pattern here. And off to the side, there's deco and script that you can use. This page is the headers and glitter headers. So the headers is like to do today, next week, this week work. So these are nice if you don't want to write it yourself, or the handwriting. If you don't want to do your own handwriting, it's already foiled out. It's nice and sparkly. And then below that are the glitter headers. I like to use this to like help segment out like your page, or to like, I like to use it as well to like frame the boxes and stuff like that. And then the last page is a deco page. So there's some Fashion Girls. I love the skirt here. And of course, looks like she's holding some tea with honey dripping from it. And there's the honey jar that looks like a bear. Some candles, wicker baskets, all that good stuff. So this is the standard kit for the mystery subscription. Next, I'm going to show you what the journal kit looks like, the journal kit slash Hobonichi cousin, what that looks like. But this is what the standard kit looks like. So for the journal kit, again, you have that add-on here that we have on all the different options that I showed from earlier. And then the first page is the same as what we saw from the last kit, except for the boxes are not as long or tall, they are smaller. So these boxes fit perfectly in the Hobonichi Cousin weekly section of that planner. But if you have like a smaller journal or planner, this may work better for you. So I would recommend maybe getting the journal mystery kit instead of the standard. So this is what the first page looks like here. And then the second page, it's the same as well, except for the Monday through Sunday stickers are not as long, so it fits more. It fits perfectly in the, again, Hobonichi Cousin Weekly section. Then the next page has the heart date dots, the weekend script, and then it has some layering pieces. It has like arrows, circles, like sticky notes that you can write in. It has banners and stuff like that. So that's kind of like journalish-y. The next page has some torn paper strips that you can use. That's very journalish-y. I love that there's a foil on top of here with like the bumblebees and the sparkles. I love using these stickers every month. Have scallop circles, and then the bow dividers, the glitter headers, and then we have some rectangular boxes down here. The sheet, again, is the same that we saw from the last kit, but they're sized down. And then this sheet is a deco sheet, but for this kit, the deco is way bigger to fit with the journal aspect. I love using this sheet every month as well too, because you can really see the detail of the stickers, and it becomes like a huge like statement piece of whatever page you're working on. So I very much love using this page. can see the honeycomb dripping. And then finally you have like the regular deco page as well that you can be used. So this is the journal / Hobonichi Cousin weekly mystery bundle. Lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative mystery bundle. For the decorative mystery bundle, again, you get this sheet, this little add-on sheet that you get in all the other options. And then for the rest of the decorative bundle, the paper is the same as the sheet. It's all on the washi sticker paper. So if you enjoy that type of sticker paper, I recommend getting this add-on, the decorative. So the first page is the swatches. So there's an artwork again of like the bear, the honey, and we have the foil on it, except for it has like the torn look to it for the stickers. I enjoy that look myself. And then the next page, there's some more swatches. We have a big swatch right here of that like cupboard scene, a couple of the fashion girls, and then down below, a couple of like tiny swatches of the washi, and then a layering piece. And then next, a borders page. So it's kind of like washi strips, but the bottom is a straight edge and the top hugs the artwork. So down here, there's like some bows, and then the jar that looks like a bear with the honey inside of it. And then the top has those different patterns in it that we saw from earlier. Next, we have the scripts and dates. So you have Monday through Sunday for 2 weeks, and then you have to do meals, errands, appointments, and also you have date dots for 2 different colors for the month, so you can kind of mix and match however you want. Also, here's a decorative page with the fashion girls, and another decorative page, some of that deco we saw from earlier. And lastly, there is a terrible washi page. So this page, what you can do, you go from the top because there's like a cut line at the top. So you can take the page and go from it and tear however you want, in whatever shape you want, and put it on your paper, which can be very fun. So it has that like honeycomb like pattern on it with the green background. And this is the decorative add-on. I recommend this again if you like this textured and the look of this paper, if you like your stickers more freeform. And this is the reveal of August mystery kit. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this full reveal. Let us know what you think of August's artwork. We love to hear your thoughts always. If you want to not miss out on the next mystery kit, make sure to click the link in the description to subscribe to receive September's mystery kit. Also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay updated on all of our subscriptions and stuff like that. Again, thank you for your support and everything, and I hope you all have an amazing rest of your month, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye everyone.